Okay, everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be analyzing the financial market, specifically the US 100, that's the Nasdaq. And this is what I do when I open my charts. So let's go to the weekly time frame. That's the first thing I do. I'm going to remove all the drawings on my chart right now. So I'm going to go to the weekly time frame. That's where I start from when I open my chart. So I can see that this is this weekly candle. We are being, you know, quite bullish this week. Okay, so what are the draws on liquidity that I see here on the weekly? I can see this one here. This is closest to us. Okay, because they're taking liquidity above this high, so this is closest to us. We discuss liquidity in my mentorship, by the way. If you like to join that mentorship, you can click the link below. So I can just write here weekly draw on liquidity, weekly draw on liquidity. Analyzing the market can be very simple. You don't have to complicate it. So I have this line weekly draw on liquidity. So what do I then do? I go to my daily time frame. Okay, daily time frame. Now we have established that we are bullish this week. Okay, and this is the closest draw on liquidity to us. Okay, so what do we want to do on the daily time frame? We're looking at, okay, if we know the fact that we are drawing to this place, but are we in a premium or a discount? Okay, so if we take our fib from this point, where our draw is to this swing low here, we know that we're in a premium market. Okay, we know we are in a what? In a premium market. But in a premium market, we have to find a way to divide a premium market into its premium and what? Its discounts. Okay, so how do we do that? So also on the daily time frame, we can see that weekly drawn liquidity. We see here that is actually a swing high, and you know what rests above swing highs? I know my students know this: liquidity. So we know that price is drawing to this place. Okay, so how then do we become part of this move? How do we get something in this move? We'll go to the 4 hour time frame. We've already seen something that's happened here. Price is already coming from discount. Okay, it left a bullish order block here, traded higher, came back into the bullish order block, and you can denote it with this. See, you know how the phenomenon of bullish order blocks. We know that orders rest there. So price came back to collect more orders and is now what? Going up. So we want to be part of this move, but we don't buy premiums. We only buy discounts. So we have to be able to in this move, from this point to this point, where can we get into the trade? It has to come into a form of what? Discount. So how do we get our discount? We move also to a 4 hour chart. Can you see how we are doing the analysis from the higher time frame? Okay, the higher time frame tells you where you want to be focusing on, and I've put it there. I'm trying to focus on this space right now. Okay, so look at this point now. Where is the last swing low? This is the last swing low here. This one on the 4 hour chart. This is the last swing low. And where is the highest point on our chart? The drawn liquidity is this line. So if we take our fee from this point to where we are targeting, we know that we are in a premium market. From this line below is your discount, and from this line up is our premium. Okay, so these are things we discuss in our mentorship. See, in our mentorship, we try to make analyzing the financial market as simple and as easy as it can be. We remove out all the complexities, we remove the gambling. Okay, it's the airlight trading cycle. Okay, so you come into that cycle and you look at any asset, and you can do your analysis. You know what you're looking for. It's not ambiguous. You know what you're looking for, and you know what you're waiting for. Okay, so we already know that this is a premium and this is a discount. So what else do we do? We go to the 1 hour chart. So the 1 hour chart is the last time frame where we define premiums and discounts. Okay, so this is our premium for the 4 hour, and these are discounts. Now for the 1 hour, we want to look at what has happened? Price has been coming from a discount into a premium, came back into a discount, then went straight to that premium. Okay, we are not anticipating that price might still come back below this white line. It can, but for our own purpose of getting to this move, we are not thinking in that direction. Now, if price gives us more information that it might actually be coming there, then we what? We realign our bias to fit what the market is doing. So we are not trying to force price to do what we want to do. We want to align ourselves with what price is doing. Always remember that. We don't preempt price, we anticipate. And when we anticipate, we wait for good information, more information. All the information you need to anticipate price are things we teach in our mentorship. They are simple. Anyone can know this. So right now we can see that price has come into a fair value gap here, okay, and left this candle, which happens to be another block. These two candles happens to be an order block, and this other block has really not been what it has not been tested. Okay, so we can anticipate price coming as low at this point to this order block here. You know that we can anticipate price doing that. So what we can now also do here is that we can now inside this premium and discount, we can now define for the 1 hour a new premium and discount. That will be the last premium and discount that we are going to be working with. So this is the last swing low on the 1 hour. Remember, this one was the last swing low on the 4 hour. Okay, and this is our target. Okay, that is our target. That's where we think price is drawing to. Okay, this is where we think price is drawing to. So you can see what price has done. It's at the what equilibrium range here. It came, retraced into discount a little, and what is now going up. Okay, so because we are still on this uh move, we have to leave these as our range. So what then do? We draw a line, our shapes, just to remind us if when we're in discount on where we are in premium. So these are shape. What you do now after drawing that, you press down your control button and bring this down. So I can change this color to say green, light green. So this will be our premium and this will be our discount. And in our discount also, we don't need this line anymore right now. So in our discount also, what do we see here in our discount? Where can price draw to in a discount? One, we're seeing this bullish order block, and that's exactly what price did. It came into discount to this bullish order block. Okay, what else can we see on discount? There's an imbalance here. We want to map out that imbalance. There's an imbalance here. So this can also drop price to it. Then we discuss the most important factor in our trade analysis is time. So this one of the time we spoke about is what the 12 midnight. My students know the essence of the 12 midnight hour. Okay, so you can see 0000. So I like this to be a faint line, and I can just have 12 middle right. So you can see it can appear on any part of the chart. So now we're waiting for more information. Now we understand that price can move to this draw without us because we're already in premium and we don't buy premiums, we buy only discounts. Okay. So now if price moves without us, we are fine. We don't have FOMO. That's fear of missing out. We don't have that. So we're waiting. Okay. We're waiting for more information at this point. Okay. So now we can also go to the 15 minutes time frame where we most likely will be taking our entries. We can take entries on the 1 hour charts too, but we can look at what is happening on the 15 minutes time frame. What has been happening? Let's just look at that. So price has been, moving up, retracing here too, moving up, retracing, moving up, retracing. Has it been the order flow, has it been bullish? Yes, it has been bullish. Okay, so you can see this black candle is supporting price. So order flow has really been bullish, really. So order flow has been bullish right now. So we are not really interested in selling as at now, with the information price given us, and we know that this is the draw on liquidity. Okay, so let's see what price will do. Now, one of the things you can also look out for is this. From the last swing high before the retracement, this particular one, we can now take our fib and put our fib here and run it down here. And we want to look at the quadrants. Where at what point can price retrace? These are the things we know, we discuss in our mentorship. You can know what point you can expect price to retrace. So we know price can retrace at this point right now, this first quadrant. So I can just put my lines to places where price can retrace, and you can always I can always share the update with you now. But I'm not saying price will do that. We don't have control over price, but we just, by experience, have an idea of what price might do. Okay, so I can make this red, I make this white, this line, not this fib. Okay, I don't need this fib anymore right now. I can make this white, and I can make this ash color. So the color tells me what is happening. Okay, so now I also know, okay, at what point can price retrace. I'm looking at this. You might not get there exactly, but close to this, I can expect price to retrace. Where do I want price to retrace to? I want to retrace to a form of what? Discount. This is a 15-minute chart, by the way. And what's in the discount? What can it, when it retraces to discount, what can it retrace to? Look at, I like this low. There's liquidity resting here right now. There's liquidity resting here right now. I'd like to come and take all this liquidity. Okay, it takes liquidity from all these areas so that we have enough juice to what? Rally up. Okay, so this is how we analyze our trades. We know what we're waiting for and we just attack it. And for students of my concepts, you know what this is. Look at this point to this point. You know what this is. This is an optimal trade entry. Remember, the optimal trade entry will be in discount. And look at this. This blue side is a discount. If I change the template to optimal trade entry, okay. So can you see that's optimal trade entry? I know if you're my student, you know what this is already. This optimal trade entry. I like to shade it yellow. Okay, so these are the concepts I trade as taught me by my mentor. So I have to put that out there. Even though I call them my concepts, I learned these things. All right, it didn't just fall from the sky. So that is it. So what we're waiting for right now is, this is a discount right now. We're waiting for price to come back. Okay, if we want to see how price react at this point. Okay, when price gets here, we're expecting it to have some form of retracement. How it retraces will let us know if it's still going to come back into discount, or do we create another premium and discount with what the information price is giving to us. It's not ambiguous. There's exactly how to do it. So like I said, if you're interested in joining our mentorship, in our mentorship, we look at how we interpret price action. We look at when we go into price, what time we go into price, and what we look out for. Our trading is basically mechanical. So you wait for certain things to come together, then you shoot, okay? And we'll manage our trades, okay? So that's what I have for you today. I'll begin to update you as I see what price is doing. So this is the US100. You can also go into your chart and see what I've done here and see what my analysis has been like. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the like button and share this video. Sean Johnson here, signing out. See you.